42, and we're entering part 2.
These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here in WWE. Huge shot to the midsection. He saw that one coming.
Damn, a lot of reversals.
Swagger blocks it. Kofi with a nice reversal. Not today, too fast. Nobody can take to the air to beat his opponents quite like Kofi Kingston. Boom,
damn.
boom, boom. And he gets into the ropes. Oh, going to the top, high wrist. Nice move. Look out!
Ah! Damn, so close.
Oh, reversal. Oh. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Quick thinking to avoid that. Kofi goes down.
And now it's time for the biggest guy in the match, the Big Show! R-Truth coming in! Boom!
The right and left hands of the Big Show are. R-Truth with the agility to reverse it. Just how fast is this guy? Reversal. And he dodges that one. Look out! Headbutt! Oh! Big Show easily counters that. What a display. Ooh, nothing pretty about that. Ooh, blocked. And a great counter by the Big Show. He's got him up. A quick scoop slam. And now it is show off time. Here. I don't like how slow he is to react right now. A smart tag team move there. A nice
tell it off of me, boy.
Oh, the punch connects. Followed to perfection. He was able to reverse that.
Big Show could get his legs that high. What the?
Find the mark. Call your friends.
Alright, now we're heading up to part 3. I think I'm getting screwed.